The Christmas Wish on Hot 91.9.
Her sisters told us that she won the award at her school. And we're talking about not a school kid, we're talking about a teacher. And the award was the Every Cloud Has a Silver Lining Award. I'm talking about Erica Botha, a very special woman who's had a really tough year. We decided to step in and help out. The first person we've got to speak to
is the one you love talking to first, because you get to say...
I get to say, good morning, Bunny.
Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, Sam.
Hello, love.
How are you, my darling?
Doing very well, thanks. And yourselves?
Wonderful, thank you. Bunny Majaja.
Yeah.
Our little Christmas bunny.
Yes.
Our gorgeous...
I feel very much like a ninja bunny, a Christmas ninja bunny.
A Christmas
because we're always
ninja
hiding.
bunny.
Yes, we're always hiding, we're always sneaking, and we're right now standing outside Erica's house, waiting to pounce.
Bunny, is Wilma with you?
Would you like to speak to her?
Yeah, let's just get the story before we pounce. Wilma, morning. How are you doing?
Morning, Jeremy. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Tell us the story behind this wish, my darling. Yeah.
In this last 3 months, she's just had such bad luck. Her car was written off 3 months in September. And then after that, she's been broken into her house 3 times. You know, and with buying a new car and having an installment, she had to cancel her household insurance. So she can't replace any of these items that was stolen. And the most important is a PC and the PlayStation, the stuff for her boys. And she's devastated that she can't actually replace that.
Okay, tell us about the boys.
Kian, he's the bigger one and he's 15 years old.
Mm-hmm.
He's PlayStation is the thing that was stolen. He's a very quiet child. He doesn't show a lot of emotion, but he's got such a good heart. Erich is the baby. He saved up for a very long time to buy a second-hand PC and to build it up to a gaming PC. And he got for his birthday, which was yesterday, he got a graphics card. And the day before they broke in, they put the graphics card in his PC, and the next day it was stolen. So he was crying so much, he was devastated. They tried to be strong for their mom, but it's hard.
Okay, now your sister Arnell is in the house at the moment. You guys are outside the house, I believe.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Simon, won't you just ring this particular number here? Because that's the number that Arnell is on.
Hello?
Arnell?
Erika.
So now
even
Arnell
better.
passed the phone on to you. Erica Botha, it's Jeremy Mansfield speaking from Hot 91.9. Open your front door. Because your sister is outside there. Erica, we have Glenn DeToy on the line.
Yes?
Glenn DeToy is the consumer head of Acer. Glenn, good morning to you. How you doing, my bud?
Yeah, fantastic news, Jeremy. Thank you so much for the opportunity. We really appreciate it. Eh?
Let's unpack what Acer is going to do for the kids.
We came up with an Acer Nitro 5 PC, gaming PC that we want to give this family. Now, I'm not going to tell you about the value. That's irrelevant.
Yeah.
The fact of the matter is that we're going to create a gateway for this family to not only play games together, and there's VR features and a whole lot of other stuff, but they can actually use it as a gateway for young Eric to actually develop his passion for PC. And hopefully one day he'll go into the industry and become a superstar programmer or designer. And actually the PC that we're giving will be able to take him all the way through. Jeremy, thank you so much. We're so humbled, man. Really appreciate the opportunity.
Glenn, you know what? Thank you. Hot Cares is also going to be putting in a TV on behalf of everyone here at Hot 91.9, to everyone at Acer. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you so much, and all the blessings for Christmas to everybody in the team.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Glenn.
Yes.
Erica, the installation is starting right now.
Wow. I'm the one that's humbled, and I want to say thanks so much. And when I walked in after the robbery and my things were gone, I didn't care. But these little boys saved up by themselves for a very long time. So for me, it's such a blessing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's a pleasure.
So good morning. We just got done with Jeremy and Sam on air. So they told us all about the exciting things, well, maybe some of the exciting things that we're here to deliver. Shall we see what they were talking about?
Please, please, please.
Let's go have a
I'm
look.
so excited.
Christmas has come early, boys. Do the thing. One last thing we need to mention is the fact that there's also a Steam voucher to the value of 2,000 Rand, so you can pick all your own games. There was also something for Mom. Let's have a look what's in that envelope.
It is from Sorbet gift card to the value of 500 Rand. This is more than me as a mom could ever have dreamed for them. And to Hot 919, I'm humbled. So for them, I'm the happiest mom ever. Thank you for making that possible.
There you go, Erica. Hopefully that helps a little bit and makes this Christmas a little bit special for the boys.
The Christmas Wish. Send your wishes to christmaswish@hot919.co.za.